Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can homeschool your 1-year-old. So the first activity we have over here is placing clothespins around a empty box. So this activity helps a child to strengthen their muscles and learn how to hold a pencil, a crayon, and whatever they do for writing skills in the future. In this next activity, I took a milk container and gave her few popsicle sticks and pom-poms. As you can see, I made few shapes on them so she can understand how she has to place all of these things according to the sizes and length of these things. This teaches them the sizes of anything that is been given to them. So this is a great activity and it helps her to focus on where to put the sticks in whatever size is given to her. The next activity is an excellent way to teach your children basic knowledge around them. So you can pick up any general knowledge book and ask them the things they see in general. Things are always around them. So you can ask them and tell them where the things are and what they see in a book. So always start with the basic identity of things around them. What is this?
Apple.
What is this?
Ball.
Good job. What is this?
Cake.
What is this?
Good
Good job. What is this? What is this? Guitar. Good job. What is this? Hat. Hat. ये आपके पास hat है ना? कहाँ है आपकी hat? Where is your hat? Where is Yusra's hat? This one. This is your hat. So this next activity is a fun activity for a 1-year-old. They have to place these pegs. They had different sizes and they had to place them according to the holes they see. So this tray is a good interactive activity for a child, placing the pegs and also learning the colors as well. This next activity, I gave her a stainer and few pipe cleaners, and pipe cleaners are extremely soft so they can be placed in any kind of a hole. So she was pulling all of them out and learning how to hold them in one hand. So this was the first time she was doing this activity, and it was commendable to see that she was holding all of the pipe cleaners in one hand, which I never told her to do, but she was doing this by herself. So children love stickers and tape, something sticky. So I placed all the popsicle sticks on the chalkboard and I told her to pull them out and give all of the sticks in my hand. So she was extremely excited pulling all of the popsicle sticks out. So making a fun activity for them is always the best way to entertain your 1-year-old. Come on, next. Oh. Thank you. Oh. So in this next activity, I gave her a few bangles and made a bangle stand, which I did not had, so I did not make an excuse for not teaching her. So I took a sponge and a baking stick and made this a bangle stand, and I told her to place all of her bangles in the stand she sees in front of her. So this helps in focusing how to place and where to place the bangles in the stand. So this was a great interactive activity for a 1 year old, helping them to focus on whatever task is given to them. This activity helps a child learn different sizes. If you have this manual mixer, you can use this as well. So I gave her a few pom poms, and she had to place all the pom pom inside this toy. It entertained her and made her understand how easily things can go inside a hole. So this is a great way to entertain your child as well. So the last activity was a craft session with her. So I placed the double-sided tape on the paper, and I gave few pom poms to her. So she was enjoying sticking all of the pom poms in the tape, as the pom poms could not come out of the paper. So she was loving the craft, and as colorful as you make things for them, the more enjoyable a 1 year old will be for you. So thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me as always. Would love to welcome all of my 100 subscribers within this week. It is an amazing thing to see when a lot of people has subscribed to your channel and watching your content. If you like my videos, make sure to give a thumbs up and make sure to hit the bell icon and the subscribe button below. So like always, like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.